on straight bullshit. What the fuck is he doing? Look. That what he learning how to fly? Damn. He probably trying to really hawk somebody down though. Cause he keep going on that fucking bridge. That's lit. He going low as hell. What's up with him? Yeah, he must be learning, bro. I don't know.
That shit do training right here next
bro,
to
look at this shit. That shit retarded.
Yo, to do what he's doing takes skill, bro.
Yeah.
You're not training doing that shit. Especially right here with houses and cars and shit.
That's fucking lit though. That's fucking lit. Bring up. I'll try to maneuver that, but bring him down.